One of the questions that I don't know the answer to this, and I
Okay.
appreciate you being like really transparent with this, and there's not a wrong answer.
Okay.
Um, so you had your 30 face
hmm
challenge that you wanted to be proud of. What did you do with the revenue that you generated?
hmm
Did you take some of that and save it for a rainy day type of fund to try to build up some runway? Or were you like, hey, it's party time. We've just made X amount of dollars and then you
Oh, right. No, when I first started, I mean, everything was going back into the business because, as you grow a business, you look to the left and you look to the right, you look ahead, you look behind you, you look online, and oh, this person is offering this backdrop, and oh wait, now I need to be able to offer this, now we have this many different options for your backgrounds. Oh, now we're going to do green screen. So now I need to maybe invest in some of these stock photo programs and upload professional background images. And oh wait, now we're having our first baby shower type of an event. So now I need to get some baby shower props. So I found that like early on, um, a lot of the money went back. It definitely was not party time at all. It was definitely reinvesting, is the word I like to use, back into the business so that then we could provide the best quality or options for our clients. Um, so yeah, that's what I did with a lot of the money in the beginning.